Thanks for all you've shown us, but this is how we feel. Come sit next to me, pour yourself some tea, just like Grandma made when we couldn't find sleep. Things were better then, once but never again. We've all left the den, let me tell you about it. The choo-choo train left right on time. My ticket costs only your mind. The driver said, hey man, we go all the way. Of course we were willing to pay. My name is Wakefield, got a box for your toys. They're fresh out of batteries, but they're still making noise, making noise. Tell me what to do, now the tank is dry, now this wheel is flat. And you know what else? Guess what I received in the mail today? Words of deep concern from my little brother. The building's not going as he planned. The foreman has injured his hand. The dozer will not clear a path. The driver swears he learned his math. The workers are going home. 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 Yeah! The workers are going home. The workers are going home. The workers are going